Okay. Well, I'm about to do something bad. As I built the fucking thing. Here we go. Boom. And then please don't tell me this whips back up again. I don't think I can handle any more of that. Let's just get on with whatever you're gonna do today, you know? Please. Just
Be right back. Someone's at the door. Hold on.
right. Is it 7? 6, 7. Come on, fall down. Yeah. You have got to be fucking kidding me, dude. It won't stop every fucking time. Every low is just ripped. Dropped down. Good God, you're bearish as fuck. Where's my little... Thank you.
Finally, I'm getting some traction on a trade. I'm still like
I know,
doing small.
but I'm 1,000 in the
Yeah.
hole, so it's like, you know, I gotta make it up, and then I can start making some money. But I'll do it. But can we follow through, please?
Yeah, that's
and
it.
like, come on, do not whip this back up, people. Stop buying the dips. It's not going up. If this would drop, it would fix my drawdown. Like, come on. You know?
Yeah.
Come on.
There have been some amazing, you know, complete meltdowns in the past few days, which have been... I missed them, but when I saw them afterwards, I was like, wow. When I went through the charts afterwards. I'm always scared to add more to my position. I still haven't mastered that.
You really gotta start. You have to really get a sense of the momentum and try to find the pullbacks. A lot of times I'll just do limit orders up here, but I just didn't think this was gonna bounce down at all or bounce up at all. So I think it better not fucking bounce up. Or just drop right here. Stop fighting it.
Yeah, I just need it to hit that level.
Fighting it so hard.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, it hasn't even touched it yet. Let's go. Just dump right through it.
Come on.
There we go.
Okay.
Got some of them. There we go. See if you can.
Yeah.
I don't know how many.
Yeah, I made 100 on that one, so I'm happy.
Okay, so we got.
I'm still doing. Sorry?
I was trying to see how many TPs I needed. I didn't even know. Thanks. If I can't get this to keep going. How many stops do I got? Too many. 3. 3 bus stops. Come on, keep falling. Still 400 in the hole right now. That's so stupid. Keep falling, come on. $49 seconds on this hour candle. We could get a big ass retracement, or it could just flush. I'm gonna start trailing down some stops, just in case. So we're looking at like 508. Actually, I'll lock in some a little bit right here if I just to get it. No, that stop. Might as well just put this right on. Maybe it'll dump out Saturn again. 7 seconds on this hour candle. Still 500 in the hole. Oh, that's not very fucking good. That could slip right through a stop loss the way it's moving. Yeah, I'm gonna let this take it. That looks like it might just flush if it does drop. They're fighting this hour candle pretty hard. Now it's about to come up. All right, I'm out of that. Not a bad trade, but I need more. I should have went heavier, but I did not because the